At Dayspring Academy, we truly believe that family engagement plays a vital role in every learner's educational journey. When families are involved, our learners thrive. That's why we require every family to complete at least 15 family engagement hours each school year. These hours help strengthen the bond between home and school and make a real impact on our learners' success. There are so many ways to get involved throughout the year. You can volunteer your time, join us at morning meetup or impact events, make donations, and more. Every act of involvement counts and helps shape the Dayspring experience. Here's how you can track and submit your family engagement hours. First, go to ParentSquare. Then, go to the menu bar. Select Volunteer Hours. Then, choose the month of your family engagement activity. You can also input hours from previous months. Select the type of activity. Then, input your family engagement hours. Type any additional notes if needed. Double-check your information before pressing Submit. Now, you're all set. Be sure to stay connected on ParentSquare for family engagement opportunities. Thank you so much for your time, dedication, and love for your learners and for Dayspring Academy.